The Empress sits on a cushioned throne in a field of wheat, crowned with 12 stars and draped in a gown patterned with pomegranates. A forest rises behind her. A river winds gently nearby. She is the archetype of fertility, abundance, sensuality, and creative embodiment. The living expression of Earth as mother, lover, nurturer, and maker. If the High Priestess governs the inner world, the Empress brings that inner richness into tangible form. The Empress herself is the central symbol. Her relaxed posture and serene expression show confidence rooted in ease rather than effort. She embodies receptive power, creation arising naturally from fullness rather than strain. Her pomegranate gown links her to fertility, sexuality, and the generative cycles of nature. She is abundance incarnate, not through acquisition, but through overflow. The 12-star crown forms the first supporting symbol. It connects her to cosmic cycles, 12 months, 12 signs of the zodiac, showing that her creativity is harmonized with natural rhythms. She is not merely fertile, she is aligned with the unfolding seasons of life, receiving and expressing cosmic influence. The stars remind us that earthly creation is guided by celestial patterns. The second supporting symbol is the field of wheat at her feet. Wheat is nourishment, harvest, and the sustenance of body and community. It signifies the Empress's capacity to provide, to nurture, and to translate creative energy into tangible abundance. The wheat field also shows that what she tends grows. She is the fertile ground from which projects, relationships, and life itself flourish. The third symbol is the heart-shaped shield with the glyph of Venus. It embodies love, beauty, pleasure, attraction, and harmony. Venus teaches that creation thrives in the presence of affection and enjoyment. This shield at her side signifies that love is her protection, beauty her power, and desire her guide. She creates through the heart, not the will. The fourth symbol is the forest behind her, a living sanctuary representing nature, instinct, and the wild feminine. It is growth without restraint, creativity without censorship. The Empress belongs equally to the cultivated field and the untamed woods, showing that abundance arises both from structure and spontaneity. The fifth symbol is the flowing river. It represents life force, emotion, intuition, and the nourishment that keeps creation alive. Emerging from the High Priestess's hidden waters, this river has now become visible and embodied. It shows that inner insight has entered into the realm of experience, feeding the landscape of her domain. Together, these symbols reveal the Empress as the matrix of creation, where inspiration becomes form, where love becomes life, where beauty becomes nourishment. She is the affirmation that the world is fertile and that creativity is a natural human inheritance. In readings, the Empress signifies growth, fertility, sensual pleasure, creativity, pregnancy, literal or symbolic, and flourishing relationships or projects. She encourages nurturing, enjoyment, embodiment, and trust in abundance. Her wisdom, life grows through care, presence, and love freely given.